Police apprehends the culprit behind the alleged dual murder case in Upper Degroom. Hello viewers, good morning. You're watching Karbi Anglong Live English Primetime News. Now the news in details. After almost a month-long search, the Karbi Anglong police had finally apprehended the accused behind the dual murders that happened in Upper Degroom. The incident, which took place on August 28, resulted in the death of 11-year-old Sobita Hansepi and her 9-year-old friend Anisha Ingtipi. Since then, the police as well as all conscious social groups were looking for the culprit. Ever since the crime was committed, there were strong demands for the arrest of the culprit from all sections of the society. Police immediately began investigation into the matter and identified a suspect, who was a 16-year-old boy from Lokhiram Rongpar village, the same of the two murdered girls. However, before the police could take the boy for interrogation, he ran away from home. Police had no other options but to launch a search operation. They flooded the photo of the suspect and sought for help from social organizations as well. On Sunday, the boy was seen in Dilai, and the KSA Dilai Head Branch President Waisong Terang, along with KSA Bokajan Regional Committee President Nobin Rongpi and their associates, stopped the boy and took him to their office. Later, they surrendered him to the Dilai police.
Pensi haladak alang tum bahini jil pipi pandemi halabangsu pai ciklo inkorener kya bahut alang tum bahini pan patsilor no laping hela patsilor da phi penangan haladak ahawartum arong aradatum lapin ke Karbi Anglong hawata me manghu prong sidolo je komasi kepathima apeng kupia the pia ponma pusi lapin ke penangan haladak nimarlia song ben danglok haladak Bokajan KSA regional atum lapeng ke haladak aru atum sisteme dode sangsi pen SP tumhan lapeng ke haladak thana tumhan me alang tum pin pura lo pajirlo police tum tame lasonsi investigation lasonsi claim bom lo lapeng ke suspected dosi haladak penangan ari haladak arong tumhan lasonsi arju bom tahaipo amasi inur ariso phan alang tum hala suhut pendame doubt dolo suspect dolo amasi hol bang suhut chukela police thana andar long thana long ponlo amasi labang sorry su bangke kajui lo lapenge kajui pe na phi non chiklo jon pai inkorener cap pen aghatona pen non la chiti pini inkwara troxy ansi mane patumi inkwara trok ansi la ke kajui arisu phan long lok lo
GD chiklo ringo la trok ada por hai ke por hut kedam tang apa dai krum koilamati along amuso damhan apan karmodat ko hut apan karmodat abang phu phang nilitum de la ke se aro pi pan kinya donong lok
dilai nar bang bom pu dang dilai branch tumhan inform phone pe na inform lo la so teng ben alang ni tum pali dun pensi 0. pudapu khala daksi gun bagana dunglong lo khala daksi la so pan khang nun check.
In a telephonic conversation of our correspondent with the Bokajan SDPO Jaundas, it was confirmed that the boy apprehended at Dilai was the same suspect who was on the run. The SDPO also confirmed that the boy had confessed his crime before them. The boy told the police that he intended to molest Subita but could not succeed, so he killed her. While the other girl saw him committing the heinous act, he had killed her as well in order to remove witness of his earlier crime. The culprit, being below 18 years, has been sent to juvenile detention center in Jorhat.
Phone pen conversation kidu hut mate SDPO Bokajan Jaundas pen kaching ki hut alang pen ke nang than pamelo je suspect ke kalilo labang su ariso phan lake che confess pamelo labang su ariso athege alang si apran armud veglo pusi labahini phandame alang university apran armud lo pusipu.
Vijay Rongpi's report from Dilai, Karbi Anglong Live. The Jagwe Asong Tourism NGO of Deephu had on Monday celebrated the World Tourism Day at Ruipi Langso Waterfall in Dakiram Ronghang and Ramlekte villages under Dolamara Police Station. Here is a report. With an aim to promote tourism in Karbi Anglong, the Jagwe Asong Tourism NGO had been celebrating the Tourism Day at different new places of scenic beauty since the past few years. Their intention is to explore the unseen places and popularize them in order to attract tourists. Like every year, this time the NGO had chosen the unexplored waterfall Ruipi Langso. The waterfall is located at a distance of 4 to 5 kilometers from Dolamara town.
Pini World Tourism Day ni dak Jagwe Asong NGO pen alabangso adin Dolamara lo Duarbaguri constituency lo ladak tame isi langsung do pusi alam dong arjulong lo pelabangso langsung nangka discovery konsep ini bang lo sila ke 5 kilometers sampai Dolamara proper pen daan dah nanti lapen labangso langsung kedorong la ke dak kiram rong hang rong lapen puihi rambek cherong la lo rong ni dak situlo la si kiri ladak alang itu pen labangso langsung ke paklai pasi bang lo lapen labangso langsung pen job Karbi Anglong temas konsul pengen sudah tourism department mereka tinjur sadeng bukan ladak ke bogor kira era tu sebe jujur celanga hin penalong ji.
5 years ago, the NGO had organized the same event at Kaipo Langso, another waterfall in the locality. Since then, rush of tourists to the waterfall have been seen and several families have got sources of livelihood. The NGO as well as locals are hopeful that if Ruipi Langso is developed to a tourist site, the population of the area will get huge opportunity for selling local agricultural products as well as products of weaving and handicraft.
Itum Jagwe Asong NGO pen itum ladak anak homri ke lalo ladak sampai lason langsung kelang mesen langsung Ruipi Langso langsung sampai kelang mesen lapen ladak itum tourism potentiality dak itum teklong lasi mopen itu ke bang sampai itum cetan lo ladak bang ke isila natural beauty bang itum preserve pamenang pol lapen ke itum kedam ke bang aphan atowar tamela ale kahi noret kali jongsi hong pen ke bang atum ke lalo itum non kajiranga itum te bokhet Kajiranga te bokhet pen itum ladak pen jongsi itum Karbi Anglong ke lang meadim hala dak pen turis atum mandai itum kosom si itum lapu Karbi Anglong sampai ke ban pen itum ako dak revenue ke andu nai ma thema peneng atim ke hello tourism and pen la ke kone atim lo masi dak dolo tourism and inclusive growth.
The celebration on Monday was led by Jagwe Asong President Augustine Timong and Secretary Nobin Timong. It was attended by KSA Dolamara Branch Secretary Angel Sonteron, Duarbaguri BJYM Secretary Samson Inti and others. Arjison Rongpar from Dolamara, Karbi Anglong Live. Under the initiative of the Umrongso Karate branch, a yellow belt grading ceremony was held at Karbi Club in Umrongso town of the Mahasa on Sunday. Here is a report from our correspondent. The belt grading ceremony was led by the chief instructor of Japan Karate Do, Hakwakai Suniram Inti, who is a gold medalist in karate. He had won a gold medal in an international event held in Malaysia and had also received a disciple medal from Japan in the year 2019. Presently, he is the chief instructor of Japan Karate Do Hakwakai organization of Assam. During belt grading ceremony, the yellow belt along with certificates were distributed to the students after conducting the karate exam. The program was attended by Umrongso Police Station Officer in charge, BC Roy, as the chief guest. Among other guests present were local MSc Joy Singh Durong, Saraswati Vidya Mandir School, Umrongso Principal, Amri Mojadar Mensing Ronghi, BJP Mandal President Samsing Ingti, Karbi Students Association, the Mahasau District Committee President and Secretary, among others.
Umrongso branch karate branch tak pulo tapi na somar panili yellow bell exam pipon lo tapi na so yellow bell exam lo nang chitong dun manpeng kithinai odak osido lapen gala alang lipan ta churol lapen gada itu makasing honai MSc dorong saldo alang lipan ta li churol lapen dak pinila so me lo nang chiton korting jo ko anya munduk la ani lipan nang chitudun penili nang rong piglo kasi dak dim wala Umrongso brangsung likang pupe menang Karbi panili kachithan long penili neng sam pikan lo kasi white belt pen yellow belt an pini menang an ki undun tuhan semenili hirzume un an pilo tapi ngon nili kapor ipon ge non Karbi Anglong pen ke state chief instructor kan ke nilian narlo la sini li kapori bang ansu se karbi tum nang cerab du nang citudun sonte pusini likari la si dak apang nili cengpon lo first center bang nili haflong impulo la pendet bang ke difu nili rulang sodim dak dim da banner start hello admission da dobum lo office temela so covid ajoni akam bang bon check lo la pende si ni phir hem chiwang thelo la pende umrong so dak impulo phino haflong da dak resume po la se nogong ta nili center puet lo la se no next bang nili Karbi Anglong se nili kangpu da imphan se nili nengke hang
Linson Ronghang report from Umrongso, Karbi Anglong Live. With an aim to bring unity among the youths, an association named Dongkamukam Youth Welfare Society was formed on Monday. The program was held at Dongkamukam Irrigation IB. Here is more from our correspondent's report. The new society formation event was chaired by local youth Kiridhon Pangcho and attended by several prominent youths of the town. After prolonged discussion, Probin Timong was unanimously made the president of the society, which Klirdap Terang was appointed as the general secretary. Both the youth leaders assured to work sincerely for the department Dongkamukam town. They stated that their main focus will be to end all forms of anti-social elements among the youth and to fight against addiction.
Ini Dongkamukam Irrigation IB along Isengpon Dongkamukam Youth Welfare Society 27 September 2021 ane sin litum himpen Sengpon lo bangso Dongkamukam Youth Welfare Society along dabak itu kaprek organization tu pet pangnum pet dogo Dongkamukam mahawar along si akemesen asong ke dopen iprang ke banjilan arni ko pikisung ini anti social element ben cenglo education sektor lo senglo lapen kaprek activities pen cenglo itu Dongkamukam mahawaran mesen pen iprang ke banjilan arni kacing tur ponji apan setamen itu Dongkamukam Youth Welfare Society ain pen an susenil tum ni pon po lapen Dongkamukam lo non disemet pen leg behind mate kaviason itu prapjin pen kapadoi apan setamen ilitum hin pen pori pon po halo so kapori along mate kapado ponji apan koson kopi ma ke dam nang yang ilitum Dongkamukam Youth Welfare Society ahin pen ko nama ke dam nang yang ilitum dam ponji lapen ke dam pen mesen asong Dongkamukam structure ekrang ke bangjilang arni sitami isi perfect structure ke salami apan ilitum organization pen bangke ilitum pori pon sila bangso song mehang petek lo
pet ke nilitum labang sosong amang pathek nang ko kala pul hai mane nilitum Karbi Anglong ke bere tu sa mate belek organization na do la nilitum pudam thai be sitame itu kaching room mate isi unity ke banta isi kenang so la sila bangso pini nilitum ke seng nang ko mate ke seng organization ke la pulo nilitum dak not only dak isi bet particular isi organization kali ada ke jongnam me pet lam ke 24 plus penado pen kese non itu minggu penado sana tak kese me tingdong penado la pen la me damai lo ke klem penado yo lason cerap pet sila dak Dongkamukam si youth satum kamatha yani ki in future Dongkamukam sampai mesening atema non West Karbi Anglong ke heart of West Karbi Anglong pe Dongkamukam chalo.
The new organization was formed with an aim to unite the youths of Dongkamukam to work for social development. The society aims at bringing together youths affiliated to different organizations into one platform. Vicky Bay from Dongkamukam, Karbi Anglong Live. Well, those were the top stories for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.